My name is Rick Ramsey. I am the product line champion for perforating, and today we're going to do a brief introduction and demo on how to wire conventional ControlFire switches back to back as you would be performing a plug and perf operation. A brief review of the equipment we're going to use today. We decided to go with the 2 3/4 gun and the 2 3/4 associated hardware. The reason why we decided to do that is because for you guys that are running this product, know that it becomes difficult trying to get two switches into the small ID or the bore of your switch tandem when you're trying to wire two plugs back to back for setting a plug and firing a gun. So based on that, 2 3/4 gun, 2 3/4 EB switch housing. We have our EB through wire. We highly recommend running 2 grounds for all individual ControlFire switches. So I highly recommend running the EB-TW-WG. Along with that product, we do recommend a specific retainer nut. It does have a 1/4 inch ID in order to encapsulate the pin on the EB feed-through in case you need to skip over and fire the gun above. You don't run the risk of actually blowing the pin down hole and flooding that gun. If you have any questions or need any reference, all this information is in our EB Fire guidebook. I highly recommend going there and looking at our wiring directions, and then that way you know exactly what equipment you'll need for that process. The next thing is obviously you'll need a detonator. The detonator is completely up to you. Just keep in mind that any detonator or igniter that you use needs to be 50 ohms or greater.